Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a form using Contact Form 7. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to the Plugins section. Search for Contact Form 7 and click Install Now. After installation, make sure to activate the plugin. This essential step enables all the powerful features you'll need to create custom forms. Once activated, you'll find a new contact menu item in your admin sidebar, ready for your first form. Now let's build your first form. Click on Add New under the Contact menu. Give your form a descriptive title, perhaps General Inquiry Form or Feedback Form. You'll see a default form with fields like name, email, subject, and message. These are great starting points. You can easily add more fields, such as a phone number or a drop-down menu, using the tag generators provided above the form editor. It's quite intuitive. Customizing your form fields is straightforward. Above the form editor, you'll find several tag generators. Click on text to add a simple text input or email for an email address field. You can also add checkboxes, radio buttons, and even file upload fields. For each field, you can specify if it's a required field, ensuring users provide necessary information before submission. This flexibility allows for highly tailored forms. Once your form is perfect, click the Save button. Contact Form 7 will then generate a unique shortcode for your new form. This shortcode is crucial for displaying your form on your website. Simply copy this shortcode and paste it into any page or post where you want the form to appear. It's a simple copy and paste operation. Your form will then be live and ready to collect submissions from your visitors, making communication effortless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.